Now is the time to upgrade your Delta Bandsaw machine and revolutionize your cutting experience with Sawblade.com's quality aftermarket guide kits. I'm product specialist Celeste here with the Delta 14 Micro Adjust Bandsaw Guide Upgrade Kit. This is an economical, easy-to-install solution that will help improve your performance, increase your blade life, and machine production. It also will produce straighter, faster cuts. This sturdy and long-lasting kit offers a drastic improvement compared to factory blade guides, and it's perfect for general woodwork and resawing. Our guide blocks are composed of solid, high-grade aluminum and utilizes performance-sealed ball bearings. Our triple bearing design dramatically increases the accuracy and overall performance of your machine by supporting the blade with two front bearings and a rear thrust bearing. The front bearings support the blade on either side and can be adjusted for pinpoint accuracy to decrease horizontal blade walk. The rear thrust bearing is designed to roll with the blade to reduce friction and blade walk under feeding force. All three of these bearings are fully adjustable to allow for unmatched accuracy in a variety of bandwidths. This particular kit features a tool-less micro-adjustable guide. This feature makes it easy to make modifications and change blades quickly. This heavy-duty kit is adjustable for blades 3/16 of an inch to 1 inch and comes complete with the proper mounting hardware, lower and upper machined guide blocks, precision bearings, and blade guard. Sawblade.com is your one-stop shop for all of your Delta aftermarket needs. We have an extensive inventory of parts such as wheels, pulleys, tension springs, and much more. If you need to increase your cutting performance, please also check out our quality American-made bandsaw blades. Our blades are made to order in any length, width, or tooth set. And because we don't have distributors or outside salesmen, you get factory direct pricing. We take pride in our work and we stand behind our blades with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. So you can shop with confidence knowing you're getting the best deal. Thanks for watching. And for more informational videos, product overviews, and tech tips, please check out Sawblade.tv. I'm Celeste, product specialist with Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.